Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob battery in this Peugeot remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to remove this cover here at the back of the fob which houses the key fob battery. So we get a very small, thin, flat headed screwdriver and we place it at the bottom of the key in between the cover and the metal clasp. And we get underneath it and we just prise the case open. If it hasn't been removed before, it can be quite stiff to get at it. And there you go, there's your key fob battery. We use the same screwdriver and we just flick the battery out of its housing like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just get our new key fob battery and we simply just pop it back into the housing like so. We make sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards so we know it's in its correct location. And we just pop the case back on like so. Make sure it all clicks in place and there you go. It's all done.